The ideal graphic design student is going to be someone who is creative, interested in working collaboratively, and interested in working in projects that have potential that's unlimited.
I've always been a fan of surf culture and skate and their graphics on t-shirts and boards and posters. That's kind of what brought me in. And then when I started making my own shirts, I started making a couple of bucks here and there. I saw it as an opportunity to just keep on going.
Our program really focuses on the creative process, and I think that's what makes us unique. We have a certificate program which focuses just on developing skills in digital media, graphic design, motion design, and is intended to move someone straight into industry. We have students sometimes as young as 17, all the way up to students sometimes even with a PhD that come back and decide to refocus their life.
I feel the graphic arts are very important because of the way we incorporate social media into our lives. Whether it's you're a fashion designer, photographer, filmmaker, graphic artist, or fine artist, you have to sell yourself to an audience, and being able to brand yourself with a little bit of knowledge in graphic design can go a long way.
If you're creatively minded, we teach you how to get paid for doing the things you love to do.
That's what I like about it.